Mind reading, a power often relegated to the realm of fantasy and fiction, holds a captivating allure for many. The ability to delve into another's thoughts, to decipher the secrets hidden within their mind, seems like a superpower straight out of a comic book. But what if I told you that you too could possess a semblance of this extraordinary ability? While we may not be able to genuinely read minds, there exist subtle techniques and cleverly crafted illusions that can create a convincing facsimile of this extraordinary power. These techniques, often employed by magicians and mentalists, rely not on supernatural abilities but on a keen understanding of human psychology, sleight of hand, and the power of suggestion. By mastering these deceptively simple tricks, you can amaze your friends and family, leaving them wondering if you've truly unlocked the secrets of the mind. Prepare to embark on a journey into the world of mind reading, where perception is reality and the impossible is merely a trick waiting to be unveiled. This journey will equip you with 5 easy-to-learn mind-reading techniques that will astound your audience. We'll delve into the mechanics of each trick, revealing the secrets behind their effectiveness. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the key to a successful mind-reading performance lies not only in the execution of the trick, but also in the presentation. So let's begin our exploration of these fascinating mind-reading techniques. Our first foray into the world of mind-reading techniques brings us to a deceptively simple yet incredibly effective tool, the nail writer. This inconspicuous device, small enough to be concealed beneath your thumbnail, allows you to secretly jot down information without arousing suspicion. Imagine this. You ask a spectator to think of a number, a word, or even a simple drawing. As they concentrate on their chosen thought, you casually reach into your pocket, seemingly to retrieve a pen and paper. Unbeknownst to your audience, you've secretly activated the nail writer, its miniature tip poised to record the spectator's thought. You pretend to write on the paper, mimicking the motions for the sake of appearances. In reality, you're discreetly using the nail writer to jot down the information the spectator has provided. This simple yet ingenious device allows you to create the illusion of genuine mind reading, leaving your audience completely baffled. The nail writer is a versatile tool in the mentalist's arsenal, forming the foundation for a range of impressive mind-reading tricks. As you become more comfortable with the nail writer, you can experiment with different ways to incorporate it into your performance. The key is to maintain a natural and effortless demeanor, ensuring that your secret weapon remains undetected. With a little practice, the nail writer can become your most trusted ally in the art of mind reading. Moving beyond the realm of physical tools, we delve into the intriguing world of psychological techniques employed by mentalists. One such technique, simple yet effective, is the A prediction. This technique hinges on the power of suggestion, subtly influencing a spectator's choice to align with your predetermined outcome. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes planting a seed in the mind can be more potent than any physical manipulation. Imagine this. You ask a spectator to think of any letter of the alphabet. Seems like a free choice, right? However, here's where the subtle art of suggestion comes into play. Before asking for their choice, you might engage in a casual conversation, subtly emphasizing words that start with the letter A. You might mention something you ate earlier, like an apple, or comment on the pleasant ambience of the room. These seemingly innocuous statements subtly plant the seed of A in the spectator's subconscious, making them more likely to choose that letter when prompted. The beauty of this technique lies in its subtlety. The spectator remains completely unaware of your influence, attributing their choice to pure chance. Mastering the A prediction requires a delicate touch, a keen understanding of timing, and the ability to weave subtle suggestions into your performance seamlessly. It's a testament to the power of psychology in the realm of mind reading, proving that sometimes the greatest illusions are crafted not in the physical world, but within the intricacies of the human mind itself. In the fascinating world of prediction and control, we explore how understanding patterns can lead to powerful insights. Imagine being able to foresee outcomes with remarkable accuracy. This isn't just the realm of science fiction, it's a reality shaped by data, algorithms, and keen observation. By harnessing these tools, we can predict trends, anticipate needs, and even influence future events. It's a blend of art and science, where intuition meets technology. So let's dive deeper into how prediction and control are transforming our world, one insight at a time. A dynamo, the magician, has always amazed us with his incredible feats. One of his most intriguing tricks is drawing duplication. Imagine this, you draw something and without seeing it, Dynamo replicates it perfectly. It's like he's reading your mind, but there's more to it. This trick combines sleight of hand, misdirection, and a deep understanding of human psychology. Dynamo's ability to connect with his audience and create a sense of wonder is what makes this trick so captivating. So how does he do it? The secret lies in his meticulous preparation and flawless execution. Let's uncover the magic behind Dynamo's drawing duplication.